Welcome back to my channel. This is episode 4 of the BTARTBOXNAILS XCOAT series.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
Today I will be featuring and unboxing the BTARTBOX XCOAT tips, which include 5 pre-designed medium almond French tips. The tips are packaged in a sleek, stylish box, and the directions for application can be found on the back, as well as a leaflet which is included inside. I did do my nail prep prior tip application for sake of time for this video, but I will share how I prep my nails and cuticle care on a separate video soon. The following items were used in today's XCOAT tip application. The BTARTBOXNAILS XCOAT Tips French Protecting Kit, which includes one 15 ml bottle of builder gel, one 15 ml bottle of gel glue, and one 15 ml bottle of top coat. Also the Makartt UV Lamp to flash cure tips after applying the gel glue. And lastly, I touched up the final set with applying the Daily Charme Aromatic 2-in-1 Cuticle Oil in the scent called Secret Garden. I will be sure to leave links to products in the description box. I hope you loved this product as much as I did, and if so, I will also leave my affiliate link in the description box as well. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 baby. can make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do. My heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love. He got mad love, he got mad love. He got mad love, he got mad love, he got mad love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mellow, mellow, mellow. He got my love. He got mad love, he got mad love. He got mad love, he got mad love, he got mad love. You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. 'Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, 'cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. 'Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice, 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 vice. I'm all about your vibe, vibe, vibe.
Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun applying the tips. It was difficult to decide which design, but I was completely satisfied with my choice. I thought the design was pretty and the tips feel really sturdy. I can't wait to share many more of the BTARTBOX Nails products with you. Remember to hit subscribe, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you on episode 5 of the BTARTBOX Nails XCOAT series.